30th of March 2023 over in Sevenoaks this morning. Now it's midday. I just installed the back edge. There's 2 pieces per solar panel. It doesn't matter what where the solar panel finishes, whether it be on this tile or this one, it fits absolutely perfect. And from a distance you can't see it, doesn't matter which edge you're looking at from the garden. So you wouldn't even know that it's got proofing on. It doesn't look like, dare I say it, a prisoner of war camp with wire running around it. No fixings, no screws, no plastic clips, no cable ties that we find. A lot of the wire companies use the cable ties to connect it together, which go brittle within just a year. I was only just over Ramsgate Monday, and cable ties have all gone brittle. Installed wire, and yeah, it's eight pigeons living under the solar panels. So all done. Gone and had to put some of this right where other companies have tried to install it and installed it completely wrong. Where the rail comes out, they haven't done a dog's leg in under the rail. There's one in Folkestone like it, in Hawkinge actually. He had it installed, but they didn't do the dog's legs fold under any of the rails whatsoever, and I could see pigeons walking in and out, so I knocked on his door and he got me to put it right in the end. But that's all them panels now done.